Hi, good afternoon. We are in Gachibowli in Hyderabad, and I have Bharat Gas distributors Vineet Enterprises with us. We have Mr. Agarwal. Um, this project that you see right here behind us is MyScape Stories. It's a one of a kind, food destination experience that has been created in Hyderabad, and this has been done in collaboration between Vineet Enterprises and Pune Gas. So, how was the experience bringing this up?
So we are distributors for Bharat Gas, and Bharat Gas needs no introduction, especially in the household sector. But coming to the commercial sector, it becomes like any other business. So in
Right.
this, we had a lot of support from Pune Gas by installing the gas bank here along with the meters, centralizing the whole gas system in this project.
Right.
So about 8 food outlets are going to come in the store, and one of them is already in place.
Right.
So I think we had a lot of support from Pune Gas, seamless work from start to end, getting this whole thing to life, and couldn't have asked for better.
Absolutely. In fact, your support over here is absolutely crucial and invaluable because, while businesses and, especially food and Horeca businesses are still adapting to technology like LOT based systems, how important do you think it is for businesses to understand how they can save on, precious things like fuel? Today, fuel is such an important resource, and it's the core thing that hospitality business runs on. How are you educating your customers?
I mean, at the end of the day, to stay live in the game of business, you have to show a certain amount of what do you bring to the table. So whenever we approach a restaurant or a commercial project, the front line of our sales pitch is the LOT kind of cylinder where there is no gas wastage.
Hear it from the
So-
expert. He is the man who is doing n number of installations on a daily basis, supplying so many cylinders to commercial establishments. Listen to this very carefully.
So basically, the LOT cylinder kind of ensures that the whole of the liquid in the cylinder is vaporized through a vaporizer, and then it's supplied to each of the gas banks. So there's no scope of wastage. Whereas in any other cylinder, about a kilo or two is wasted, and that converts into quite a huge sum of money if you look at it from a business standpoint.
Yeah.
But that is our frontline pitch. Whereas if you shift to LOT, this is how much you save. This is your consumption. This is your scale of operations.
Right. Looking forward to a lot many more collaborations with you. And,
There is no doubt about choosing Pune Gas.
absolutely. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Bharat Gas, Pune Gas, gonna go a long way. Thank you.